It is Thursday, and that means we are back in nutrition educator Lynn Matava's kitchen. If you're a busy bee like me and looking for a quick way to cook a fresh breakfast every morning, then Lynn has the recipe for you. Let's check it out.
I've got something so good today, you're going to want to get a pen and a paper and write this down. We are going to make a mug muffin out of 4 ingredients. We have a packet of oats, we have an egg, a tablespoon of the milk of your choice, and some fruit. This is about half of a very melty banana that was previously frozen, but you can use whatever kind of fruit you want. And we're going to start by just mashing up that banana. I'm going to spray a mug with a little bit of nonstick spray to coat it. And I'm going to rip open this bag of oats. If you don't have the packaged kind of oats, you could always just use a half cup of plain oats. I just figured this is a great thing, especially if we have kids home, teenagers home for the summer, or even us, that we would like something quick on a busy morning. You know, we probably have some leftover oats from the winter, and this is a great way to use them. So I'm going to throw into the mug my egg, my tablespoon of milk of your choice, and this mashed up half a banana. Using my trusty fork, whip it all up. Simple as that. Now you could put this directly in the microwave for 2 minutes just like this. But I'm going to add in, customize it a little, add in a little bit of cinnamon. Stir that in really well. And you know what? It's summer. I want to have a little bit of chocolate in mine. So I've got some chopped up chocolate chips here. You could use the little mini ones, not a ton of them. Stir it all together and into the microwave for 2 minutes. Oh, it smells so good too. We have a muffin, and I'm going to tap it right out onto a mug or onto a plate, and I'm going to flip it over so you can see the prettier side. We have this delicious, hot, warm oatmeal muffin, and it just smells like cinnamon and chocolate and banana, and it's really, really good. So I encourage you to get creative with this. What other types of fruit can you use? Right now, blueberries and peaches are in season. Look around for what you have in the freezer. You could use frozen mango and mash that up. Whatever you have. I just recommend that you whip something up in a mug and let us know what you think.
That is definitely a great, delicious idea. But as a reminder, we do have all of Lynn's tips and tricks on our website. To find them, just log on to 47abc.com and click on the Good Morning Delmarva page.